Hey bears, I hope y'all are doing good. I decided to bring our craft outside today. So today we're gonna do kind of like a stained glass craft, and we're gonna be using masking tape, or you could be using some blue painter's tape. And then you can use crayons, you can use markers, or you can use any paint that you might have. And then if you want, at the end we'll add glitter and stuff like that. So you also need some paper. So white paper is fine, whatever you have. We're just going to be making this today. You can use paint, you can use markers. I've got a couple examples here. This is with markers. This is with paint. We're going to just do a random pattern, unless you want to do, I did a letter of my first name. You can also do that. And then there's crayons as well. So I think I'm going to do crayons and markers together. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're just going to lay it flat. And you might want to do several pieces underneath just in case if it goes on the table or something, just so you're safe. But we're going to just take the tape like this, and mine's easy to tear, but you can use a pair of scissors if you want. And so you're just going to take it and do whatever design you want. So I'm just laying mine like this on the table so y'all can see. I'm just laying it like that, and then I'm going to tear it with my fingers, and then you just smooth it out like this. And make sure it's kind of hanging off the paper, because we're going to be ripping it off later, so it'll be easier to do. And so you just go ahead and do that on your paper. Whatever design you want. If you want to do a flower, if you want to do a ladybug, if you want to do the letter of your first name, or you can just do kind of like I'm doing, just random lines everywhere. You can do whatever you want. A couple more. Alright, and like I said, yeah, you can just use whatever color you want. You can use watercolors, you can use whatever you really want to do. You could also do this on the cement and do it with chalk, and you can put the tape on the concrete. That would be pretty fun too, to do in your driveway. That'd be neat. Okay, so this is my paper. I just did random lines wherever. And then I said that I was going to do markers. So I'm going to take my markers, and you do whatever design you want, and you just color over the tape. So my paper looks like this, and so you can just color all the way around it, even on the tape, because we're going to be taking the tape off. So I'm just going to do like some lines, whatever I want to do, like just random, like this. And you can take as many colors as you want. I'm going to do some red. You can do polka dots. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, I think I'm going to do some purple. Let's see. You can do squiggly lines, whatever you want, like that. And so this is going to be my paper. I just did random lines. You can do whatever design you want. I'm going to show you some of the designs that I did. For the crayons, I just colored all the way across. If you want it to look like this, you can just do lines and then squiggly lines. If you're doing paint, I just did you can either do it with crayons and stuff, like your letter, your first name. But again, with the paint, you can just scribble like that, because then you're going to be taking this off. It's just going to make a pretty design. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take off the tape. Now you have to take it off really, really slow, because it can tear the paper. Like some of these, like I tore it, and I think you can see like the tape I put on it. You can tape it, you can laminate it. But if you want it to come out really nice, then you just take the tape off slowly. So see right here, I'm just pulling the tape this way and pull all the way down to where it comes off. And then it just makes a line like that. So I have the tape, and you can just throw that one away whenever you're done. And so you're just going to go through your whole paper and just take all of the tapes off really slow, so you don't tear the paper. And if you do, it's okay. You can just tape it and you can redo it, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. So I'm just taking all this tape off, and it's coming out clean like this. You see all this tape's coming off. Got a couple more pieces. My paper's kind of ripping, but it's okay. And you can also add colors afterwards if you don't like the design, whatever you want to do. So this is my design on my paper. So it's just random lines, and you can see I've kind of ripped it, but that's why you have to do really gentle pulls on the tape. So now that we have all of these lines, this one's probably a better fit so we can actually see it. Now that you have these lines, if you wanted to write your name or something, I think I'm going to write my name just to add a little bit more color. I'm going to put Miss Emma. And then you can write your first name, you can write your last name, whatever you want. So I put Miss Emma. And you can put maybe some hearts, you can put a flower to make it look pretty. And you can also, if you wanted to, you could add some glue to your name or something like that. And you can add glitter on it if you wanted to make it look nice. And then you can hang it on your door, you can do whatever you want with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all are having fun doing your crafts and everything. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.